Okay, so welcome. I'm gonna play some horror maps. I got two lined up, but I made a video of prop hunt and then me switching over to some horror maps, and I realized I looked over and I didn't see my mic making any noise. So I just lost two 20-minute videos with really good stuff in it that you can't hear me at all in. So I'm gonna redo this, and I know that my audio is working this time, thankfully. We're gonna go through this. Rules, like, or you're a furry, comment if you're a furry, or you're a furry. Please don't use flashlight bright as hell. Using no clip on this map equals being a furry. What is with this guy and furries? Please don't hate me, this is my first map. Have fun. Give me your awards. Okay.
What the dog doing?
That was cute. I like that. I can already tell this is gonna be a great map. Who's this guy? Looks like the guy from Far Cry 6. Okay, that thing kind of just had it out for me. Oh. I'm not the smartest man. Kind of just ran in that fire. Alright, let's try that again. Come on, boy, let's go. Let's go fight. Okay. Shit. Think about that. That one actually got me. Oh my god. I didn't expect it. Do you want end this map? Click here if yes. Really? Is that it already? Really? Really? Huh.
We got a #1 victory royale. Yeah, Fortnite, we about to get down. 10 kills on the board right now. Just wiped out tomato.
Is that it? Really?
My friend has gone down. I revived him,
Tanks.
now we're heading southbound. Now
Tanks for playing, a map created by Medtrick. It's me if you don't know, you idiot. Oh, that's not very nice. Is that really it? Huh. Well, I guess that's it for this one. Thank you for that. Okay, well, that one was very good. So scary. Now this one is Essence, I think. It's by Red Tullisk, and I read the description. This one actually had a whole description to it. It said that it was actually scary, and it had a whole bunch of jump scares and shit. So hopefully it's actually good. Did I say smoking? Yeah, no smoking. Flashlight is allowed, no net clipping, and last have fun. I will not do that last thing. Okay. Ooh, blue. Why is it blue? Blue key required. Oh, Jerry, where you going? He bust the door. Damn, he had up shit real fast. This shit so bad he disappeared. do that. Don't do that. Oh. Key fell down the toilet. Quickly get to the sewers and see if you can retrieve it. Why are the doors closing by themselves? I don't like that. Stop it. Hey, it's a Half-Life symbol. Haha, we're saved. Oh my god, Lord. God. Oh no, where's Paul? Oh no, hold on, I need to get Paul. We got Paul. I was gonna look back and ask him if he saw that, but he wasn't there. And then I realized he didn't have his beanie, so I just got him a cool little pink cap. And if I move him, his hat will fall off, so I'm not gonna move him. I don't know if I'll get in trouble for this, but oh, you can't even see him anyway. Okay, so I'm just not gonna show you. Alright, let's get back to this fucking scary ass map. It's actually pretty good. No key. Stop closing stuff. It fucks with me. Oh, it's a spine. I was one of these in Prophet. Someone lost their spine. There's a jellyfish about. Can I go up here? No. Get out of my way. Ah. Ah. I have no weapons. Okay. Oh, bathroom. Great. I love bathrooms and horror maps. Wait, do I have... I'm looking for 2 keys, aren't I? Yeah. Okay, so I got the blue key. Oh, I can't sprint. Okay. This is actually pretty good. I like this a lot. Alright, yeah, I was guessing I have to get the blue one to get the red one. Now, what the fuck was that? I have no weapons. Oh, get out of my way. Come on. Oh, there's gonna be a jump scare in the vent. It's not gonna be pizza either. I fucking knew it. I knew the game was gonna betray me. God damn it. Oh. Even though I knew it was gonna happen. God. Boxes are always hiding secrets. Barrels. Barrels. Oh, the key. So you're telling me that some turds just come sit right there. That's great. That's wonderful. A wonderful sewage system. Just this. Well, that's annoying. I guess the back. Wait, do I have to go back through the vent? Keep loading, bay clear. Like another door. Okay. Looks like we're taking this thing all the way back. Oh. Damn. That was productive. Is there gonna be another one going back? Yeah, well, that wasn't that bad. Okay. I don't know what this half human is doing, but we need to calm down. Oh, that was open. Oh, okay. I could have gone there first. Actually, see if there's anything in there. Like a crowbar. God, this actually gets good. God damn. I just want a damn crowbar, okay? God damn it. Actually pretty good though. Pretty good. Pretty good, good game. Oh, come on. Oh, it's gonna be a jump scare. I don't want a jump scare anymore. No more jump scare. Fuck the key, I got a shovel. Shovel. Without shovel. Fuck am I just walking around for? Danger, high voltage. Your protection must be worn in this area. I'm wearing headphones. Does that work? Okay. You stay right there, you mister. Until I find the way out. I'm not carrying that bitch around forever. It's just I can use the menu in this shit. Yeah, cool. So if I get scared, I can punch it. But also boxes. Boxes. Yeah. I won't use this for like stuff to get further in the map though, if it like is required. Where does it want me to go? I'm gonna try and find the way out real quick. Okay, so what I've come to learn in the last 15 minutes of looking around this map, restarting the map and going through it again, and then still not being able to open the door. When I went up to the door this time, it said it's blocked from the other side. Maybe you can pry it open with something. And then I remembered Mr. Shovel here. I spent so long doing. I even moved the door with the gravity gun. I'm not gonna. No. Oh, okay. Okay, I was about to say, if I, that's the only item I could find. I didn't know what else to do. All right, let's get it. God, this is annoying, kind of. Oh God, you're nearly out. I was nearly out before. What do you mean I'm nearly out? No, I'm not. Oh God, is that Slender Man? I'm the kind of guy that goes towards the problem. It always gets rid of it. Weird, weird, weird. Come on now. Let's get this. Oh, really? Look out for part 2. I hope you had fun. Please feel free to leave any feedback, suggestions. I accept all comments. I will be developing more adventure-based maps in the future. Keep a lookout. Yeah, so I guess that's it for this one. It was a pretty good one. Good job, the Rectilix. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. But yeah, that was actually really good. I would love to do more horror-based stuff in the future if it comes down to it. But like, the issue is trying to find the maps, because it took me a while to just find the 2 I just played. And the first one was 2 minutes. It was literally barely 2 minutes long. It was like, I got a good video out of it no matter. I tried to get enough energy into this one. I don't know if it was good enough or not, but whatever, man, who knows. But I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, thanks, appreciate it.